Hello, children. Very warm and delightful welcome to Effective Learning Hub. Today, in this video, we are going to learn the second poem of Class 5. The name of the poem is Teamwork. This poem is written by Jan Negro. I hope all are very interested to learn this new poem, Teamwork. So, let's get started. Before starting the poem, you must know what is the meaning of team. Team means a group of people, and this group comes together when it has to complete a work. So, when a group of people do some work together, that is called teamwork. Children, can you imagine a cricket match with a single player? No, we can play cricket match as a team. Some other games like football, hockey, basketball, kabaddi, we need a team to play and enjoy. In this poem, we will learn the importance of teamwork. First, I'll read the poem. After that, I'll explain each and every line separately. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me become an us. Now, let's get started with the poem. First, let's move on to the first stanza. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. So, this tells that teamwork means combined effort of a group. So, if you have a dream in your life or you want to achieve something, you must have to work in a team. When we work in a team, we can do any difficult work easily and effectively. Next two lines. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It says that when you achieve a target or when you complete any work together, then you feel the joy. You share your joy or happiness with your teammates. So, teamwork makes your dream work. For example, children, what we see in cricket match, when we win the match, you must have seen how players enjoy their victory. Second stanza. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. Says that it's really a fun when you put the basketball into the hoop or ring, but it can be possible if the team member passes the ball to you, but if nobody passes the ball, then it can't be happen. Here there is the requirement of teamwork. Next line. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. Says that the same thing happens in the relay race. Relay race can't be go on if the runner cannot passes the baton to each other. Here also there is the requirement of teamwork. Here you can see the baton. Baton is a stick or short tube made up of plastic or iron. Next, last stanza. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Says that we are the only parts when we are doing something, in that we are playing a role. But if we put our effort together in that, then it becomes a whole. So, if you are working together in a team, you can achieve the common target or common goal. Last line. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us, which says that when we are working together to achieve the same, that is common target, definitely we will get success. Sometimes collective efforts gives us more than our expectation, but this happens when you and I together becomes us. So here teamwork is the key to success. So if we are working in a team, will we get success in our life. So you have to work in a team. Now let's see some difficult, that is new words from the above poem. Teamwork, combined effort of a group. Hoop, wooden or iron ring trundled along by child. Passes, move onward. Relay race, race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. Baton, short tube or stick carried in relay race. Thank you.